Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious cookies without any flour. Flourless cookies are a fantastic option for those avoiding gluten or simply looking for a different texture. They often rely on ingredients like nut butters or oats to create their structure, resulting in a unique and satisfying treat. You'll find many recipes are surprisingly simple, requiring minimal ingredients and effort to prepare. The magic of flourless cookies comes from their clever ingredient swaps. Instead of traditional flour, you'll often use creamy nut butters, which provide both fat and a strong binding agent. Rolled oats or finely ground oat flour are excellent for adding structure and a pleasant chew. For moisture and natural sweetness, consider mashed bananas or applesauce. Eggs are also a common addition, helping to bind everything together and give a slight lift. Making flourless cookies is straightforward. First, gather your chosen ingredients and combine the wet and dry components in a large bowl, mixing until just incorporated. Next, scoop the dough and form it into small, uniform balls, placing them onto a baking sheet. You might flatten them slightly depending on the recipe. Bake your cookies in a preheated oven at approximately 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until golden brown. Let them cool fully on a wire rack. One of the best parts about flourless cookies is how easily you can customize them. Feel free to stir in your favorite additions like chocolate chips, chopped nuts, or dried fruit. A dash of cinnamon or nutmeg can also elevate the flavor profile. Once baked and completely cooled, store your delicious creations in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 5 days. For longer enjoyment, these cookies freeze beautifully for several months.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.